Hello and welcome back. Today, or this evening, we're going to be doing the tying the knot box. So this is the third out of 12 that we're going to be doing. So let's see what we have inside. Okay, we have 2 Dry Those Happy Tears tissues. We have 2 sets of mittens, one for her, one for him. Very appropriate considering we are in January and it is still winter where I am. We have Mr. and Mrs. Wine Charms. Definitely interesting and fun. And the last thing in the box is Mr. and Mrs. Hot Drink, which is also very appropriate for winter. And that's it for the Tying the Knot couples box this time. And I hope to see you guys again soon.